Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Happy Earth Day. Certainly a lot has changed in the last month as far as Earth is concerned with the shutdown. As far as the overnight markets, right now we've got beans and corn up a little bit, wheat down a little bit. Stocks are higher, dollars lower, and a lot of commodities are trying to make some kind of bottom or consolidation, but we do see crude continue to trend lower. As far as the grains are concerned, yesterday we had some steep losses. We turned around, traded higher on increased volume, and right now we're trying to figure out have we meet some technical objectives on the downside based on our supply and demand numbers. Going further ahead, we have to be watching like the ethanol data today and how the market reacts to it, export sales data tomorrow, and then we also have to be aware of the weather. As far as weather is concerned, it looks okay in most of the Midwest. The next 7 days, the rainfall will be pretty heavy across the Delta and Ohio River Valley area. Those areas will remain too wet. In Europe, still dry in northern Europe and parts of the Black Sea. They could see some scattered showers, and really that's one of the key areas, especially in the wheat market, that we continue to need to watch. This week we saw the drop in winter wheat U.S. crop ratings. Because of some dryness in the South Plains, maybe some dryness in the Pacific Northwest, and maybe some wetness across the soft wheat areas. So again, we gotta have to watch the weather from here on out to get price direction. You know, when we had July beans bouncing back to the 844 area, some people are saying, okay, where is your objective on the upside in a short covering rally or even a buying type rally? It's probably in the 870 area. We don't really need to trade over that unless we have a weather problem. And again, the model suggests if we have normal conditions, we could trade November beans down to 770. In the corn, nearby corn tested $3. We're now at 318 on the July, 333 on the December. We really doubt there's any data right now to trade over 350 in the December. And the price models that the USDA used continues to talk about a low in the fall of 250 to 260. Wheat market at 541. Again, we might be in this 520, 560 range depending upon the Black Sea weather. So doubt, given the demand outlook and if weather is normal, we can trade much over that 560 area. So all in all, I think the markets are pausing. Not a lot of news out overnight. Still watching headlines on the virus and whether the U.S. can reopen parts of its economy and how just that is going to affect commodity demand. And then we'll be watching the weather. And then as we get closer into May, we'll be watching USDA new 2021 supply and demand report and their outlook for crop sizes and also the outlook for demand, especially on the corn demand. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable Earth Day. Thanks.